how the respiratory system works in our body. So as you know that it consists of nostril, then windpipe, and then trachea, and a pair of lungs. These lungs are protected by the rib cage. This is your chest cavity, and lungs are protected by the rib cage, and here is diaphragm at the lower portion. तो जब हम सांस को अंदर लेते हैं, when we inhale, what happens? Chest cavity expands, diaphragm move downward. Now you see what happens when diaphragm move downward. The air rushes in, and the air is filled in the lungs, just like this. Say the volume of the balloon inside the chest cavity increases, but as soon as we exhale, then the diaphragm moves upward and chest cavity moves downward. So the volume of chest cavity decreases and the filled air goes out like this. So when the diaphragm expands, the air is filled, and when diaphragm moves upward, then the volume of chest cavity क्या होगा? कम हो जाएगा. और जैसे ही chest cavity का वॉल्यूम कम हुआ, तो जो लंग्स में एयर फील्ड है वो क्या होगा? बाहर आएगा, क्योंकि चेस्ट का वॉल्यूम अगर कम होगा तो लंग्स पर दबाव पड़ेगा, और जब दबाव पड़ेगा तो जो फील्ड एयर है वो क्या होगी? बाहर आएगी. सो दिस इज हाउ आवर लंग्स वर्क. क्लियर?